Welcome to this release highlight video for service in SAP S/4HANA Cloud 2108. My name is Young-Hwae Koo from SAP S/4HANA Product Success and Co-Innovation Team. I'll introduce service release highlights in 2108 in this video. This time, I'm excited to share with you new business capabilities with service orders and contracts. Let's get started. As the payment behavior of your customers has an immediate impact on business result, credit management is used to mitigate the risk of financial loss. In this release, we integrated SAP Credit Management with service for enabling credit checks on service orders and service contracts. With this integration, you're able to include service orders and contracts in making credit decisions alongside product sales. As this is an optional feature depending on your business needs, you can activate credit management for service in configuration. A service order can trigger a credit check for payers when saving the order in the released status. When the order amount is over the defined credit limit for the payer, the credit check will fail and further processing will be blocked with an error. However, if it is required, a credit controller can manually release the blocked orders through the app Manage Documented Credit Decisions. You can also check the overall credit status of service orders on the overview page by using Show Details. By adding credit status in the search criteria, you can sort all the service orders by certain credit check status for your customers. Service contracts are also integrated with SAP Credit Management. With the configuration I mentioned earlier, a credit check is triggered for payers when a service contract is saved in the released status and the credit status is updated in the new column. When the credit check fails, it blocks the service contract for further processing. If it is required, blocked service contract can be released by a credit controller as in the same way for service orders. There will be further enhancements on this capability for credit management. In 2108, we extended the integration with logistics to support the pick-from-stock scenario. We introduced simulative ATP checks for spare parts on service orders. If you want to use this feature, you can activate the simulative ATP check in configuration for service. Let's create a service order with stock items and select the View Service Parts items. Clicking the Check Availability button will indicate whether required spare parts are fully, partially, or not available, giving you better insight into service part availability for service order planning. There will be also more enhancements in this area in the next releases. Stay tuned. Last but not least, we enhanced revenue recognition and margin analysis for service orders based on fulfillment of service confirmations. This method recognizes revenues and corresponding costs through the periodic run upon completion of service confirmations, while invoices are not yet created. So you can benefit from real-time matching of cost and revenues for service orders. Are you now interested in more details for service features in 2108? Check out what's new on SAP Help Portal. You can also read my blogs. SAP S/4HANA Cloud Community is the central landing page for all this information. Thank you for watching. See you next time.